This video will walk you through the process of registering your team for Good Friend Inc.'s Rockin' for Good Friend Bowling Fundraiser. Whether you are participating in person or virtual, you will use the same process to get your team registered. Head over to goodfriendinc.com. Once the website loads, hover over Events and select the R4GF Rockin' for Good Friend Fundraiser. Take a moment to read all of the information about the event that's on that page, and then when you're ready to register, use the big red box. Click here to register your team. You'll know you're on the right page when you see an awesome photo from a previous event and our logo. Then we just need some pertinent information from you as you're the team captain. Name, address, email, select a fun team name, and select your t-shirt size. The following pages will include information about if you're selecting in-person or virtual, and if you choose in-person, which session you want. Then after that, we need to have your team members' names so that we can have them registered as well. And finally will be payment information. And don't worry, though it takes you to PayPal, you do not need a PayPal account. You can use a credit card. It's as simple as that. An email will be sent to you to follow up with more information about the event.